Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about phosphatidylcholine results in less diabetes. The headline caught my eye because to me that's instant cognitive dissonance. And I'll explain it. It's a study done in the city of Kuopio, hope I pronounced that right, in Finland, quite close to Russia, eastern Finland, where a famous study being done following Finnish men for a prolonged period of time with very accurate food surveys to see what they were eating and what risk would be for heart disease. What they found was that phosphatidylcholine had a dramatic reduction. The more phosphatidylcholine you ate, the folks in the top quintile of phosphatidylcholine consumption had 41% less diabetes, and diabetes is a huge risk for heart disease. Wait a minute, phosphatidylcholine has choline in it, and choline is strongly associated with making TMAO in your gut, and TMAO is meant to be one of the strong predictors for coronary artery disease. You can't have it both ways. You can't have a food that has something that's a risk for coronary artery disease be something that reduces your risk for coronary artery disease. You can understand my confusion. And let me give you my take. My take is that phosphatidylcholine is an incredibly important part of making plasmalogens. And in fact, it's plasmalogens in your blood vessels that are strongly associated with reducing arterial dysfunction, endothelial dysfunction. And that's the first step in developing coronary artery disease. Plasmalogens are also critical in making your mitochondria work properly. They are critical in making the axons and synapses in your brain work so you don't get Alzheimer's. I think my interpretation is the cholesterol model of heart disease is broken and it needs to be replaced. And what's going to replace it is the plasmalogen explanation, and that we're going to be able to put together a unified theory. I don't think we have all the answers yet. Stay tuned. But start paying attention to the plasmalogen hypothesis of heart disease and Alzheimer's. And the more plasmalogens you eat, the better your membranes work, the less diabetes you get. And phosphatidylcholine is right in the middle of that. That's what's going to solve it. Dr. John Whitcomb for News and Nutrition. Hope you enjoyed this one.